Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we're diving into the signs that tell you it's time to replace your tires and how to choose the best ones for your truck. Let's get into it. Choosing the right replacement tires. Replacing your truck's tires isn't just about finding the right size, it's about making the best choice for safety, performance, and efficiency. The right tires can make all the difference in handling, fuel economy, and overall driving comfort. Here's what you need to know to make an informed decision. Understanding tire specifications. Tire specifications aren't just random numbers or letters printed on the rubber. They're key to ensuring your truck performs as it should. Here's what they tell you. Tire size. The combination of numbers and letters, like 275/65 R18, indicates the tire's width, aspect ratio, and rim size. Using a size other than what's recommended can impact handling and safety. Load index. This number shows the maximum weight the tire can safely handle. Trucks carrying heavy loads require higher load index ratings. Speed rating. The letter at the end, like R or T, determines the top safe speed the tire can handle. While not as critical for everyday truck drivers, it's worth matching it to your driving habits. Tread wear, traction, and temperature grades. These performance ratings let you compare durability and safety features across tire options. For American trucks, following the manufacturer's recommendations is a must. These details are often found in your owner's manual or on a placard inside the driver's door. Choosing between all-season and specialty tires. One of the biggest decisions you'll face is whether to go with all-season tires or a specialty option. Both have their pros and cons, depending on how you use your truck. All-season tires. Pros. Designed for versatility, all-season tires handle most weather conditions, from rain to light snow. They're a budget-friendly option for trucks used in moderate climates or for everyday driving. Cons. They don't excel in extreme conditions. For icy winters or rough terrain, you'll need something more specialized. Specialty tires. Winter tires, built for snow and ice. These have deeper treads and softer rubber for better grip. Essential if you're driving in colder regions. All-terrain tires. Ideal for off-road adventures, with aggressive treads that handle mud, gravel, and uneven surfaces. Mud-terrain tires. Designed for extreme off-road use, they offer superior traction in deep mud or loose dirt but can be noisy and tougher on fuel economy. The choice depends on how, where, and when you drive. For instance, if you're often hauling loads in snowy mountains, winter or all-terrain tires may serve you better than all-season ones. Advantages of quality tires. It's no secret that quality tires cost more upfront. But are they worth it? Absolutely. Investing in better tires pays off in the long run. Improved safety. Premium tires grip the road better, especially in wet conditions, reducing the risk of accidents. Fuel efficiency. High-quality tires have lower rolling resistance, helping your truck squeeze more miles out of every gallon. Longevity. Durable materials and advanced designs mean they last longer, saving you money on replacements. Better performance. You'll notice smoother rides, better handling, and shorter stopping distances. When it comes to your truck, skimping on tires isn't worth the potential costs of accidents or premature wear. Consulting with professionals. Still not sure which tires are right for your truck? That's okay. This isn't a decision you need to make alone. A quick consultation with a tire professional can clear up any doubts. Why ask for advice? Because professionals know which models perform best for specific vehicles, climates, and driving needs. They can also help you analyze tire wear patterns to spot potential alignment or suspension issues. What to ask? Share details about your daily driving, load requirements, and the kind of terrain you cover. A pro can recommend tires that meet those needs while staying within your budget. Think of tire experts as your safety net. Their guidance can save you from costly mistakes and ensure you're driving on tires that match your truck and lifestyle. Cost considerations for tire care and replacement. Tire care and replacement can feel like a significant cost, but they're essential parts of truck ownership. With the right approach, you can manage these expenses without breaking the bank. This section covers how maintenance impacts costs, budgeting for replacements, and the savings that come from regular upkeep. Understanding the total cost of ownership. Tires are more than just rubber, they're part of your truck's long-term investment. Neglecting tire care can lead to higher expenses over time. Here's how. Fuel efficiency drops. Worn or improperly inflated tires force your truck to work harder, burning more gas. Repair costs rise. Bad tires strain suspension and alignment systems, leading to costly fixes. Shorter tire lifespan. Without maintenance, tires wear out faster, pushing you to replace them sooner. Proper care, like monitoring tread, pressure, and alignment, isn't just about safety. It's a way to protect your wallet and ensure your truck stays in top shape. Budgeting for replacement expenses. Replacing tires can be a big hit to your budget if you're not prepared. Planning ahead can make the process smoother. Here are some tips. Know your replacement timeline. Most truck tires last 40,000 to 70,000 miles. Check your mileage to estimate when you'll need new ones. Set money aside regularly. Treat tire replacement like a subscription. Save a small amount each month for future expenses. Shop around. Don't wait until the last minute. Compare prices online and at local shops to find deals. Look for promotions. Tire manufacturers and retailers often offer rebates, discounts, or multi-tire packages. Keep an eye out for these. Consider buying in sets. Replacing all 4 tires at once can lead to better pricing and balanced performance. Being proactive about budgeting means fewer surprises and a smoother experience when it's time to replace those tires. Potential savings from proper maintenance. Think of maintenance as an investment, not an expense. Small, consistent efforts lead to big savings over time. Here's how. Longer tire life. Simple tasks like regular rotations and checking pressure can add thousands of miles to tire life. Fewer unexpected repairs. Properly maintained tires reduce strain on your truck, cutting down on costly mechanical fixes. Lower fuel costs. Tires in good condition ensure your truck runs efficiently, stretching every gallon of gas. Avoid blowouts. Preventing major failures saves you from roadside assistance fees and potential damage to your truck. Regular maintenance might take a little time, but it saves you money in the long run, making tire care a smart financial move. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.